Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an iPhone trick which is actually very simple. So I'm going to show you how to expand your calculator on iPhone. So first you open the calculator app, and then so you see that it's only this simple, and then so you make sure that you can rotate your phone, it's not locked. So and then now you just rotate your phone, and all of these functions will show up, and you can just easily tap when you want to use this feature. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.